What I'm working on here today is a lawnmower with self-propelled front drive that's not working. First thing I'm going to do is take a look here. The belt is very glazed and doesn't seem to be really that tight. But the issue is one of the wheels is not engaging at all. So what we'll do is we'll take the cover off the wheel here, take a look at that. And we'll take that bolt out of there, or the nut. Okay, all the teeth are ground up on the inside of the wheel here, so we'll need to replace this. On the back of the mower, or somewhere on there, you're going to need to get the model number to get the right wheels. Okay, fortunately I had a pair of wheels that had the right number of teeth on the back. They were yellow, so I just painted them white here, make it look a little closer. Go ahead and put this on here, then put our nut on there. And get a slightly different nut set up here. Go ahead and put that on. So to adjust the cable and give it a little more tension, I undid it from the engagement handle up here. Now with that engagement handle done, we can go and pull our cable here and disconnect it from here. And now we can take this cable out, and I'll show you how to adjust that housing. Okay, we're going to take a screwdriver, push in on each side of this. This will release. So on the very end here, this is threaded. We're going to go and unscrew it a little bit, and this will lengthen the sheath and essentially shorten the cable, which will put more tension on that belt. I'll go ahead and reinstall it. Just push that in there. Okay, I'll take that little Z-bend and place it in that little slot there. Now we'll go ahead and connect it on our bale. And slip the handle out, put her in there, slide the handle back in. We'll go ahead and replace our cover on here. Tighten that screw down.